Pureguardian Ultrasonic Humidifier, and it also works as aromatherapy. You have a diffuser compartment for the essential oil. Um, this is the first unit I bought in October 2019, and then I bought another unit in November 2020. Um, it has been great. I have many YouTube reviews and many comments on this. Purchase from Costco, both unit. I believe they were retailing for $100 Canadian. I'm having trouble for past 2-3 weeks. Whenever I'm turning it on, it kind of makes a noise, and then mist comes out for 2-3 seconds from the top. Then it's the mist, or I don't know if it's smoke or mist, comes out from the bottom, and the noise continues. So I call Lasco, and they advise me to clean it with vinegar, although I have been doing that every 2-3 months while I use it in winter primarily, and for summer I just store it, and before storing it I clean it and again store it clean. So I soaked it first time after Lasco advised me. I soaked it for 15-20 minutes in vinegar, then using the brush that they provide, clean it all places. As you can see, there is no dirt or anything. All pieces are clean. And it still did not work. Then I soaked it again in vinegar, but next time I left it for 3-4 hours. So also this one I had put vinegar and water. For this one I didn't have that much vinegar, so right now there is water, only water, but I'm just saying what I used to clean it. I did put water and vinegar, then I left it for 3-4 hours, then rinse it. Now I'm gonna do a test to see. Well, last night I tried, it still did not work, and I'm gonna try it again in front of you guys. So let's take this. I may need two hands to put this up. As you can see, the water is being... So I'm just gonna plug it. It comes up. Let's turn it on. Same as before. It comes out for a few seconds, then it starts making this noise. Just gonna turn it, and you can see some vapor or smoke coming out from the bottom if I lift it up again. So just gonna... So let's say if you can see that vapor kind of thing coming out again. So I'll just unplug it, because I have to send this to Lasco. I'll just cut it. I called Lasco and they told me that I have to send a receipt and picture, all sort of stuff that you have to follow in order to get a replacement unit. So that's it.